and I am pleased to share our progress and outlook with you. The past 2 years have been tumultuous for the agrochemical industry. We have faced a range of challenges, including falling product prices, high cost inventory, the global customer destocking, and rapid demand, especially in export markets. However, there is now a glimmer of hope. Many of these challenges have subsided, stock levels have been normalized, fresh demand is emerging, and the product prices have stabilized in the second half of FY24. While we still face rising competition from the Chinese industry, we are optimistic about a better macro environment in the coming years. Throughout this period, we have navigated these challenges with resilience, maintaining our position and advancing our strategic initiatives such as capacity building and R&D efforts. Our financial performance in FY24 has been subdued due to the challenging industry environment. However, our robust capital structure has been a key factor in our resilience. This financial strength has allowed us to continue building capacities even when industry faces difficulties, giving us the confidence to pursue our long-term objectives despite short-term headwinds. Looking ahead, we remain steadfast in our commitment to our long-term priorities. Our focus on product development and R&D initiatives is unwavering. We are continuously investing in these areas to ensure a robust pipeline of products that meet the evolving needs of our customers. We have strengthened our R&D team and increased our R&D budget this year. We understand that you, as our valued stakeholders, have placed your trust in us, and we are committed to delivering sustainable growth and value. We are focused on optimizing our resources, enhancing our operational efficiencies, and expanding our market presence. Our aim is to create long-term value for our shareholders and ensure that we are well positioned to capture growth opportunities when the market conditions improve. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to our company. Now I request our MD, Mr. R.K. Shetty, to address to our shareholders. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dear shareholders, as we gather to reflect the financial year 2024, it is crucial to recognize the diverse challenges that have shaped our performance. Despite these hurdles, Heranba Industries has exhibited remarkable resilience and strategic foresight, ensuring our strong positioning for future growth. This past year has been characterized by subdued realizations across our product portfolio, a trend that has affected both Heranba and the broader industry. This has directly impacted our revenues over the last 2 years. In addition to falling realizations, higher cost inventories have contributed to lower profitability margins. A significant headwind has been the increased inventory buildup in global supply chains, leading to sluggish export demand. However, we are beginning to see some relief in both product prices and demand. both domestically and in export markets. One of the key elements contributing to our resilience during this down cycle has been a robust capital structure. Our solid capital base gives us the confidence to continue pursuing our long-term objectives regardless of short-term headwinds. Amidst the challenges on the export front, we have found silver linings. Despite the testing circumstances, our formulation vertical experienced decent traction in both domestic and export markets. The domestic branded formulations vertical, in particular, underscores the resilience of our business model, which is built on diversification across multiple revenue streams. Furthermore, we are actually pursuing opportunities to tap into new markets, particularly in developed regions such as the US and Europe. While progress on this strategic front has been slow over the past year, we are hopeful for a more conducive environment moving forward. By entering these new markets, we aim to create additional avenues for growth and generate long-term value for our shareholders. Depending on the receipt of necessary product registrations and the success of our research and development efforts, we plan to commercialize a few new molecules in the current year. Looking ahead, we are looking to commercialize more molecules while our upcoming manufacturing capacities position us well for future scale-up. In closing, I would like to express our gratitude to all our stakeholders for their unwavering commitment in the face of uncertainty. Customers are farmers. Today, our farmers are intelligent, but there is still lack of knowledge, and this AI and digital is a distant dream right now. I hope it will come in the coming years. As far as innovation and flooding is concerned, innovation is concerned, of course, we are, Heranba is into many fields. We have two ultra modern R&D centers, which we are working the present products as well as in the binary products like combination products. So technically we are very strong, and our R&D is working to improve the farmers' well-being, and a product which is reasonable and good quality and good pricing products is provided by Heranba Industries. And as you all know, we are serving farmers. They are the backbone of our entire food chain as well as the growth path. As far as your one more question regarding pollution, it is well within the norms of Central Pollution Control Board. We have all the system in place in all our units. We have 3 sites in Gujarat, in Vapi, Sarigam, and Saika. It is coming up. Everything is lined up, and we are doing as per the government norms of Central Pollution Control Board as well as the local state government norms. I hope I have answered most of your questions.
Yeah, I think the most of the questions are...
Next, please.
Thank you, Mr. Shetty. I'll get the next speaker on board. That's Mr. Rishikesh Chopra. Can you please unmute yourself and share your opinion? Yes, Mr. Rishikesh, you have the rights to speak. So please unmute yourself and you can proceed.
Namaskar, Ram Ram, Namaste. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Acha, Thank
Please
you.
go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I am Rishikesh Chopra, a senior citizen from Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad, and have invested my family funds in companies like yours. I thank your company secretary team for sending me the link to speak at this AGM forum. I support all the resolutions. I congratulate the company for better results than expected, including order book. As most of my related queries have been covered by the management in their speech, I'll limit my queries to a few. Any impact of union budget on the operations of the company? What is the CapEx in next 2 to 3 years? Who are your competitors and your rank amongst peer companies? What is the whistleblower policy of your company? Have you installed rain harvesting systems at your plant sites? Whether your CSR activities include providing nature calamities sufferers. Last but not the least, I wish management and all executives, entire workforce, and my co-shareholders happy festivity season ahead and wish the company good future. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Namaskar, Ram Ram.
Thank you, Mr. Rishikesh, for showing interest and investing in Heranba Industries. Of course, last 2 years, the entire industry was facing problem, in all the chemical industries as well as agrochemical industries where we are in. Your question of capex, my answer is we have invested approximately 300 crores for in the last financial year, and this year we are going to conclude approximately around 200 crores, and coming year at least 100 to 150 crores in the next financial year. For our existing three sites, we are in Vapi, we are in Sarigam. That plant will be almost ready, and first phase will be started soon. Similarly, Saika plant also will be Saika near Bharuch district is also almost completed, and first phase will be completed in the next quarter, that is third quarter. So with this, I hope your investment will not, we will not disappoint you. As far as your other question is concerned, greenhouse, your water management, greenhouse, everything will be as per the government norms prescribed. We are following all the rules and regulations prescribed by the different agencies. We have a CSR policy and we have a government norms to spend meticulously in the CSR, out of the CSR funds, and we are doing so, and it is highlighted in the balance sheet as well as we have uploaded this in the system. Mr. Bapnaji, Mr. Rajkumar, you want to add anything in the CSR?
CSR, we have complied with the MCA rules for the CSR committees and other things, and all the CSR activity according to the guidelines from the government, and all the data and the other information is uploaded in our website also and in our annual report also. Good. Can we take next speaker?
Yes, sir. Mr. Manjeet Singh is not available, so we have given the rights to Yusuf Yunus Rangwala. Please unmute yourself and you can proceed with your opinion. Mr. Rangwala, please unmute yourself and you can proceed with your opinion.
I think we can take the next one because he is not able to connect.
Okay, fair enough. We'll proceed with the next speaker shareholder. That's Daneshwar Kamalkar Bhagwat.
Am I
Sorry,
audible?
yes, sir,
Yeah,
you're audible. Please proceed.
Yeah, am I audible, sir?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, good afternoon to all the board members. Respected chairman, board of directors, this is TK Bhagwat from Mumbai. I am thankful to our company secretary, Mr. Abdul Latif, for sending me the soft copy as well as hard copy of the annual report, well in advance, which is full of information, fact figure are in place, which are very easy to follow. So I thanks to sir and his search team for doing excellent work. Sir, again, I'm thanks to company secretary for excellent drafting an excellent annual report copy, which cover page gives the information about company business and beautiful slogan from preservedness to progressive. Another page gives the information key state, vision, mission, and launch of the new product, and so on, sir. Sir, I fully support all the agenda items. Sir, I don't have much question because while the opening speech remark, Mr. R.K. Shetty has given all the details of the company and of the company performance and lot of things that he has given there. Sir, no more question about the sir. I have few questions. First, what sir just now the previous speaker asked for the competitors. So my second question is that what is the market trend in domestic as well as international? Sir, can you tell me the? Can please provide me the which are the subsidiary are in profit making? Rest for coming festival. I wish good luck. Thank you very much for patience hearing. This is Daneshwar K. Bhagwat from Mumbai, and thanks for again allowing me to speak.
Yeah, thank you so much for for your comments. Mr. Rajkumar, can you answer this subsidiary profitability and our forecasts?
Yes, Mr. Bhagwat, we have two subsidiaries. One is Mikusu India Private Limited. It is
Yes, sir.
a marketing company. We
Yeah.
formed this company is last year, FY 22-23. It is an initial stage in this company because we have just started in almost 1.5 years back. Last year, we crossed our turnover around 90 to 95 crores in the range of that. Because it was new entity, is not at the break-even point. But this year, we are looking for this. We have a break-even point for this year. And next subsidiary, we have a Heranba Organics Private Limited. There is a two capex plant are coming up, which already said RK sir has said about that. One is Saika plant and one is Sarigam plant. Sarigam will start in this quarter also, and Saika will be first phase of the Saika will be start in the next phase also. And sooner we will have a EBITDA level. We have a break even at the 25-26 level in that. This is our for the subsidies.
Okay, thank you, sir. We'll move on to the next speaker. That's Mr. Santosh Kumar. Mr. Santosh Kumar, you have been given the rights. Please unmute yourself and you can proceed with your opinion. Yes, Mr. Santosh Kumar, can you hear me?
Yeah. You hear me, na?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Please proceed.
माननीय सभापति जी, उपस्थित निर्देशक मंडल के सदस्यगण, अधिकारीगण और कर्मचारीगण, मैं संतोष कुमार साहब कलकत्ता से आप सभी को राम राम कहता हूँ। आशा करता हूँ आप लोग इस समय सब स्वस्थ होंगे, अच्छे से होंगे सर। मैं उन 1500 कर्मचारियों का भी आपको भी राम राम कहता हूँ, जिनकी कड़ी मेहनत का फल है कि आज हमारी कंपनी इतना अच्छा काम कर रही है, इतनी अच्छी ग्रोथ कर रही है। उन कर्मचारियों के साथ साथ मैं उनकी फैमिली और आपकी फैमिली का आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, जो सदा बैकबोन के रूप में आपके पीछे में खड़ी रहती है, जिसे पूर्ण क्षमता के साथ आप हमारी कंपनी में सेवा प्रदान करते हैं, इसलिए उनका भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ सर। लोगों ने काफी प्रश्न किए, मैं एक दो प्रश्न है मेरे। एक न्यू प्रोडक्ट आपने बाजार में इस साल क्या निकाला है और अगले साल और कितने प्रोडक्ट निकालने का प्लानिंग है, इसके बारे में जरूर बताइएगा सर। एक सर आपने जो अभी आर्टिफिशियल टेक्नोलॉजी हमारा बोपोना जी ने बोला है, लेकिन अभी आर्टिफिशियल टेक्नोलॉजी को एडॉप्ट किए हैं, तो किस किस क्षेत्र में आपने अपडेट किया? क्योंकि फ्यूचर आर्टिफिशियल टेक्नोलॉजी का ये, जैसे जब डिजिटल हुआ तो लोग एडॉप्ट नहीं कर रहे थे, जो कर लिए आगे बढ़ गए, जो लोग के पीछे से बचाऊंगा। और सर आपने काफी कुछ बताया, जो ज्यादातर एनर्जी जो है उसको ऑडिट आप करवाते हैं क्या साल में, कितने बार करवाते हैं, इसके बारे में बताने का करिएगा सर। एक सर फायर एंड सेफ्टी की ऑडिट कितनी करवाते हैं? मैं चाहूंगा, आजकल फायर के एक्सीडेंट बहुत ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, तो सेफ्टी साहब इसको रेगुलर बेसिस किया जाए, 3 महीने 6 महीने जरूर करवा ली जाए, काफी अच्छा रहेगा। एक कार्बन इमिशन आपने कितना रिड्यूस किया लास्ट ईयर, और 0 कार्बन इमिशन का टारगेट कब तक हम पूरा करने की स्थिति में आ जाएंगे, इसके बारे में बताइएगा सर। एक सर सीएसआर जो अपने खर्चा करते हैं, वो क्या अपने का फाउंडेशन को है तब तो कोई बात नहीं, जब अपने किसी दूसरे फाउंडेशन के थ्रू खर्चा करते हैं, तो मैं चाहूंगा उसकी रेगुलर ऑडिट करवाई जाए, क्योंकि पैसे तो लोग ले लेते हैं, प्रॉपर जिस काम के लिए आप देते हैं हमारे पैसे वो खर्चा नहीं होते, तो मैं चाहूंगा उसका रेगुलर फॉलो तो करते हैं, ऑडिट भी करवाइए कि भी होती कि नहीं होती सर। दूसरा सर ESG की रेटिंग करवाइए, तो बताइए क्या स्कोर है, और अगर स्कोर अच्छा है तो उसको क्या किसी डेडिकेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म पे लिस्टेड करवाने का विचार तो उसके बारे में जरूर बताइएगा सर। सर एक बात आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, देखिए कर्मचारी हमारी संपत्ति होती है, और उन्हीं की मेहनत का फल है कि आज हमने आगे, तो उनको पैटर्निटी जो मेल कर्मचारी है उनको आप पैटर्निटी बेनिफिट के आइटम में लेके आए हैं सर, क्या रीजन है? 16 फीमेल लोगों को तो आपने मैटरनिटी प्रोवाइड की, लेकिन जो करीबन आपके परमानेंट वर्कर फीमेल के 900 हैं, इसमें किसी को भी आप मैटरनिटी नहीं सर, जब भी रूल कहता है कि उनको मैटरनिटी आइटम में लाना चाहिए, इसमें विचार करने की जरूरत है मैनेजमेंट को। एक सर डिस्प्यूट केसेस काफी है अपने, उसके बारे में विचार क्योंकि काफी के 2015-16 से है, वो इनकम टैक्स रिलेटेड भी है, जीएसटी और ब्लड रिलेटेड भी है सर। सर एक 4 प्लान है, तो इन प्लान के ऊपर में रूफ टॉप पे आपने क्या सोलर पैनल की व्यवस्था की, उसके बारे में बताइएगा, अगर किए तो उसके प्रोजेक्ट कैपेसिटी क्या बताइएगा सर। ज्यादा नहीं सर, आपने काफी कुछ काम अच्छे भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ। एक बार फिर आप सभी के और आपके परिवार और जितने हमारे परिवार का आने से 2024-25 शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ, और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ भगवान आने से 2024-25 हमारी कंपनी के साथ साथ हमारे डायरेक्टर, हमारे एम्प्लॉय उनकी के लिए शुभ होगा सर। एक सर गणेश चतुर्थी की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ, इसके साथ साथ में आगामी दिनों में जो भी आने वाले त्योहार हैं उनकी भी शुभकामनाएं आपके परिवार को, हमारे कर्मचारी वर्ग के परिवार को, और सर जितने भी हमारे एसोसिएट है उनको देता हूँ। इसके साथ में सर जो आपकी जीवन में जो भी खुशी आने वाली उसकी भी मैं शुभकामना देता हूँ। एक सर लास्ट में रिक्वेस्ट है साहब, हम आपके फैमिली मेंबर के रूप में तो हैं, तो ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी, देखिए हम कुछ नहीं, दिवाली पर हम दोस्तों के साथ में अगर हमें याद है जो भी होंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा। बाकी आपका डिसीजन है, अब हमें याद भी रखते हैं, लेकिन दोस्तों को याद करते साथ हमें भी याद करेगा दिवाली के टाइम में, तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। ये मेरी आपसे बुजुर्ग हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट है कि तब हमें लगेगा कि आपने हमें फैमिली मेंबर माना है, और हमें भी जोश आएगा, और ये भी हमारे फैमिली मेंबर बने रहे। जय जय भारत, नमस्कार, राम राम। आप सभी की लंबी उम्र की कामना करते हुए, हमारे कर्मचारी और उनके परिवार के लोगों की कामना करते हुए, और हमारे मॉडरेटर की भी लंबी उम्र की कामना करते हुए वहां से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि समय देने के लिए धन्यवाद सर। और सर ज्यादा कुछ नहीं, एक बार फिर आपको राम राम कहता हूँ। अगले साल बीसी मीटिंग रखिए सर, इससे क्या होता है देखिए, एक तो हम अपने कर्तव्य में घर में बैठ के आपसे बात कर सकते हैं, और दूसरे जो हमारे कर्मचारी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनके प्रति अपना आभार करने का हमें मौका मिलता है। अदरवाइज ये मौका हमारा हाथ से चला जाएगा, और कलकत्ता से जाके आपके वहाँ मीटिंग करना हमारे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होगा। इसलिए अगर बीसी अलाउ तो हाइब्रिड मीटिंग आपके हाथ जरूर रखिएगा। सेठी जी नमस्कार, राम राम।
नमस्कार संतोष कुमार जी, आपका बहुत बहुत आपका धन्यवाद है। आपको बहुत सारे आपने हम सभी को हमारा पूरा ग्रुप को और हम लोगों को, हमारा परिवार को आशीर्वाद दिया है, तो उसके लिए शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं। ऐसे ही आपको भी हम सब हमारा पूरा हेरंबा इंडिया का मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से और सभी स्टाफ और सबके तरफ से आपको और आपका परिवार को हमारा शुभकामनाएं हैं। इस साल का है और फेस्टिवल का सारे चीज का आपको भगवान आपको अच्छा करने दो। आपको ढेर सारे क्वेश्चन सवाल था, बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपने बोला कि प्रोडक्ट नया प्रोडक्ट है। हमने हमारा तो दो वर्टिकल है, एक बिजनेस टू बिजनेस B2B बोलते हैं, एक एक्सपोर्ट है और एक डोमेस्टिक ब्रांड है। डोमेस्टिक ब्रांड में हमने 6 नया प्रोडक्ट इस बार इंट्रोड्यूस किया है अपना इंडियन डोमेस्टिक ब्रांड्स में। ऐसे ही हमारा 2 प्लांट अभी जल्दी ही शुरू होने वाला है। एक सारीगम में है, फर्स्ट फेज में, अभी यही महीने में हम लोग चालू करने का पूरा तैयारी में है। उसमें 3 हमारे पास टेक्निकल, हमारे पास R&D में तैयार होके है, रेडी है। उसको हम हमारा नया साइट में फर्स्ट फेज में ही हम लोग उसमें इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं। ओल्ड प्रोडक्ट के साथ में नया प्रोडक्ट भी हम लोग इसमें इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे। ऐसे ही हमारा R&D बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है। उसमें आगे का दिन में भी हम लोग अच्छा नया प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आएंगे। आपका दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि CSR का। CSR एक पैसा बहुत ही एक कीमती चीज है। हमारा जो भी गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म्स में है उससे ज़्यादा भी जितना हो सकता है हम लोग CSR एक्टिविटीज़ में हम लोग खर्चा करते हैं। उसका हमारा इंटरनल ऑडिट सिस्टम है, एक टीम बना हुआ है हमारा पास कि किसको कितना खर्चा करना है, कहाँ खर्चा करना है। उसका हमारा पास एक पूरा सिस्टम है, इन हाउस सिस्टम है। उसको हम लोग प्रॉपर स्क्रूटिनाइज करके हम लोग उसको खर्चा किया जाता है। आपके दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि पैटर्निटी और मैटरनिटी, जो भी पैटर्निटी और जो छुट्टी है और फैसिलिटी है, जो गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म्स के हिसाब से अभी हम लोग उसको पूरे ध्यान रखते हैं। हमारा एक HR डिपार्टमेंट है, उसको उस चीज़ को बहुत बारीकी से हम लोग उसको देख के हम लोग उसको हमारा फैसिलिटीज़ को हम लोग हमारा एम्प्लॉयज़ को प्रोवाइड करते हैं। ऐसे डिस्प्यूट केसेस है, डिस्प्यूट केसेस से ज़्यादा कुछ हमारे पास नहीं रहता है। अगर ऐसा छोटा मोटा आएगा तो भी अपने पास एक उसका कमिटी रहता है, वो कमिटी में हम लोग उसको सॉल्व करने का पूरा कोशिश करते हैं। दूसरा आपका सवाल था कि सोलर पैनल का है। हमारा सरीगम प्लांट में रूफटॉप सोलर पैनल सिस्टम है, वो लास्ट 5-6 साल पहले हमने उसमें इसको इंस्टॉल किया है। वो अच्छा रिजल्ट भी दे रहा है। ऐसा फैक्ट्री में बहुत सारे स्कोप नहीं है सोलर पैनल का, पर कहीं भी जगह है हम उसको ये सोलर पैनल को ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंट उसको इंस्टॉल कर चुके हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि अब मैंने आपका पूरा लंबी लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस को मैंने आपको जवाब दिया है। और कुछ उससे छूट गया तो आप हमको हमारा कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को आप डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर सकता है और आपको सही जवाब हम देंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत धन्यवाद है संतोष कुमार जी आपका सवाल के लिए। अगले साल आपने जैसे बोला है कि नेक्स्ट अगले साल का आपका AGM में आप जरूर आइएगा, अटेंड कीजिएगा और ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछ के हमको बूस्टअप कीजिएगा हमारा काम को। और आपको भी बहुत धन्यवाद और आपका परिवार को भी सुख शांति मिले।
Thank you, sir. We'll move on to the next speaker. It seems Yashvi Kothari is not available, so we would like to proceed with Vinay Vishnu Bire. Mr. Bire, you have been given the rights to speak. Please unmute yourself and you can proceed with your opinion. Mr. Bide, please proceed with your opinion. You can unmute yourself and you can speak.
Hello, are you able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, you are audible. Mr. Vinay, you are audible.
Fine. Let me turn on the video also. Chairman Mr. Sadashiv Shetty. Yeah, there comes the video. Chairman Mr. Sadashiv Shetty, Managing Director Mr. Raghuram Shetty, Other company directors present on call, company executives and fellow shareholders, as already announced, I am Vinay Bhide, a long-term supporter and shareholder speaking from Mumbai. It's a pleasure to be part of the AGM this year also. At the outset, let me thank you for having presented a very difficult background both on local as well as the export front for our company and for industry in the form of an annual report and the detailed explanation that you have given at the start of this AGM. We're really very thankful because we continue to remain invested and trust in the future of the company. I've got a few questions which I've listed out here to understand the present and the future better, and the questions are as follows. First question is that can you list two geographies, export geographies where we have traditionally been having a good sales. So that is the first question. And then one more question regarding the export front. Can you please tell us whether the continuing war in Ukraine and between Ukraine and Russia has affected any of our sales in that particular region or in Europe region since the war started. And coming on to the our factories, we have heard regarding the Vapi, the Sarigam and the Saika factories. Could you broadly tell us what has been the capacity utilization at our factories in financial year 24? The third thing is an industry-related question. We have been hearing a lot of discussion about the prospective use of drones in agriculture, the commercial drones in agriculture. So what are the inputs that we have as a company in the field, as a chemical company in the field, on the use of drones? And if you have any inputs to share, please let us know. Well, I think you have already given us the inputs on the use of the non-conventional energy and savings on that. So we are thankful for that. And one final question is that what have been the capex and the opex spends on digital as well as information technology in financial year 24, and what is our plan and budget for this year? I think some of the questions can be answered at the at this AGM itself, and in case there is anything pending, I shall be most pleased to have it in the form of a reply, in the form of a mail. And finally, I must thank our company secretary, Mr. Latif, and his team for having ensured that our participation has been easy at this AGM. He's extremely good at handling investor relations, and I support all the resolutions, and thank you for giving an opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Mr. Ronak Shetty, our Executive Director, would like to answer. Mr. Ronak, about the exports and all.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Bede. So two geographies which we are strong in today is, you would say, Asia Pacific and Africa is our major market, if I have to list down. And considering the Ukraine-Russia war, currently there has been some impact in the last 2 years because of that in the European and CIS markets. But we took a stand of not giving too much credit in these geographies. But definitely that did impact our sales, but that also kept us safe when it comes to credit issues because of these geographical issues. So these are two things. When it comes to drones and all, today the implementation of drone is in the initial phase, and it is picking up. There's a lot of work going on the drone side, and we are also looking at how we can have our chemicals that can be used in drones for mass scale sprays, aerial sprays. Is there anything that I missed out?
Capacity of our utilization of the plants.
Currently, in our existing sites, Vapi, our capacity utilization is around 85%. But in the newer sites, we are coming up with almost 4 new plants, 2 in Sarigam and 2 in Saika. They have not yet been commercialized. One, as RK said, it will be commercialized mostly in this month itself. Otherwise, we'll be able to see some sales from it in the next quarter. And similarly, one plant would be coming up in Q4, and one would be coming in the next financial year. So we'd see a lot of new products coming in from the new sites, as the existing site is at present at optimum capacity utilization. Thank you so much.
Now I think all speaker has been finished and they have completed their question and answer. So now I request our MD sir to take the proceeding, sir. Chairman sir.
Yeah. Okay. We thank all our speakers for being actively participating in our AGM. I think our MD and Mr. Ronak and